So a profit is the amount of money you make over and above the initial money you invested. If the amount you receive for the sale minus the sales common is greater than the total amount paid, then you make a profit. Loss on a stock is just the opposite of a profit. You lose some of the money you invested. If the amount you receive from the sales minus the sales commission is less than the total you paid, you lost. Profit equals good loss.
Fucking achoo!
So good.
Wow, nobody says bless you anymore?
Net sale equals the amount of sale minus commission.
Achoo!
May the Lord be with you.
And also with you.
You have got to be kidding me.
We are gathered here today to bless the one known as Jim Johnson. Jim has sneezed at 11 o'clock this morning on this beautiful, holy, blessed day. Jim, may the Lord in heaven bless you. May he bless your very soul and your heart. Let us thank the Lord for keeping young Jim safe and healthy while recovering from this sneeze and giving him another chance at life. Amen.
Amen.
Let us all have now a moment of silence for Jim and his recovery.
Oh my God.
Achoo!
What the fuck is wrong with you?